Some of the most viewed videos on YouTube right now are just storytelling animation with just stick figure character, and they are making millions of views and thousands of dollars for these creators. So in this video, I'm not only going to show you how to create stick figure randomly, but I'm going to show you the exact way to use stick figure to start your first Faceless channel using Claude AI to clone any YouTube channel in just 5 steps. From script writing, image generation to voiceover, animating the character, and finally editing the clips, and you're going to end up with something like this.
You open your eyes, but something feels different. The ceiling above you is made of pure gold. The sheets you are wrapped in cost more than most people's cars. You check your phone. Your bank balance has 13 zeros. You are a trillionaire. And today, everything changes. You don't make your own breakfast. You don't even pick your own clothes. A personal butler lays out a custom-tailored suit worth $80,000 before you've even finished brushing your teeth. 3 private chefs are already downstairs preparing your morning meal. You have a personal nutritionist, a personal trainer, a personal everything. You don't fly first class. You don't fly business class. You own the plane. A gold-plated Gulfstream G700. Your personal jet waits on your private runway. The pilot already knows your destination before you say a word. You take your seat, and within minutes you are 40,000 feet in the air, heading wherever you want, because you can. Your jet lands on your private island. Yes, you.
Now, before we jump right in, my name is 10x and I make videos consistently on YouTube and the act of AI in general. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video for AI content like this. Now, since our channel is all about storytelling, the first thing you do is to pick up the 3 list of channels you want to be cloning as your competitors. For example, let's go with this channel right here, and I will give you a screenshot of it. And you're going to upload the screenshot inside Claude AI one after the other with a command prompt just like this. Claude AI is going to give you a total breakdown from subscriber count to their most viral video and things that literally make their channel go viral. But don't worry, the prompt I use will be in the description right there. So now we're going to take a screenshot of their viral video and paste it with the prompt I'm giving you with just a command button, and Claude AI is going to give us an image prompt with a voiceover script. And once that's done, you copy the first image prompt, you go to Flow AI, switch to the image model and change the output to 16:9, paste in the prompt and click here to generate. And then you do the exact same thing, copy the image prompt, paste it, and make sure you always tag the first image to get the exact image reference. So you do the exact same thing in the image 2, 3, 4, and 10, and you will end up with a clean, consistent character like this. Now you want to generate your voiceover. Come close. We are going to be using Flow AI to generate our voiceover because Flow AI has added a new feature where you're going to turn your script into voiceover of your choice, and you can even have your own custom voice with your character.
Hi there. We're introducing 10x Media, so make sure you subscribe.
Now, pasting the script, select any voice that will match your video you want to create. Then you click here to add prompt, and boom. Then you quickly switch to the video model to animate the images we generated using Flow AI. Tag the first image and copy the image prompt from Claude AI and paste it right here. Then you go ahead, do the exact same thing in the second image 3, 4, and 10. And you watch Flow AI generate a clean and clear 2D animation. Now it's time to move to the final step where we're going to drag and join our clips together with the voiceover into a complete storytelling video using CapCut. First, upload the clip together with the voiceover, add them into the timeline, and try to adjust the clip to match the voiceover. And then add any transition of your choice and export the video, and then you will end up with a clean and clear storytelling video just like this.
You open your eyes, but something feels different. The ceiling above you is made of pure gold. The sheets you are wrapped in cost more than most people's cars. You check your phone. Your bank balance has 13 zeros. You are a trillionaire. And today, everything changes. You don't make your own breakfast. You don't even pick your own clothes. A personal butler lays out a custom-tailored suit worth $80,000 before you've even finished brushing your teeth. 3 private chefs are already downstairs preparing your morning meal. You have a personal nutritionist, a personal trainer, a personal everything. You don't fly first class. You don't fly business class. You own the plane. A gold-plated Gulfstream G700. Your personal jet waits on your private runway. The pilot already knows your destination before you say a word. You take your seat, and within minutes you are 40,000 feet in the air, heading wherever you want, because you can. Your jet lands on your private island. Yes, yours. You own 14 of them across the world. This one is in the Maldives. The crystal blue water wraps around 3 miles of white sand that no tourist will ever touch. Your 400-foot superyacht is already docked and ready, and you haven't even had lunch yet. You own 47 companies, tech firms, banks, real estate empires, oil fields the size of small countries. Every minute you sit in that boardroom, you make more money than most people earn in a year. Your decisions move stock markets. Your phone calls change industries. CEOs wait weeks for a meeting with you. You give them 15 minutes, if they're lucky. When you want to go shopping, they close the entire store, just for you. You pick up a watch. $4 million. You shrug and take 3. You order a custom Bugatti in a color that doesn't exist yet. They tell you it'll take 2 years. You say fine. You'll just use one of the 23 cars you already have. Ha! But here's the part nobody tells you. With $1 trillion, you can't trust anyone. Is that person your friend? Or do they want your money? Your bodyguards follow you everywhere. You haven't walked alone in years. And sometimes late at night, sitting by your rooftop pool above a city you partly own, you wonder if any of it actually means anything. You can eat at the most exclusive restaurant on earth, but eating alone at a table built for 40 hits different. Money can buy the table. It can't fill the chairs. The trillionaires who seem happiest. They didn't stop building. They started giving. Schools, hospitals, clean water for millions of people. They found out that meaning is the one thing you actually can't buy. Yes, so that is your life as a trillionaire. From the golden jet to the private islands, to the lonely dinner table. The real question isn't what would you buy, it is who would you become. Drop your answer in the comments. And if you want to live another impossible life,